Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and I'd like to discuss all of the personalizations that we can apply to our home screen and the theme, which means I'd like to talk about the depth effect that we can apply to our home screen, or how to generate AI theme. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings. Here, let's scroll and find Wallpapers and Personalization. And as you can see right here, we've got those two options that I'd like to discuss today. So AI Theme Generator and Depth Effect Home Screen. So let me start with Depth Effect Home Screen because it's quite interesting, I would say. So as you can see here, we've got the preview or demos of how this depth effect could look like. So if we've got a portrait, our device will simply divide the character from the background and kind of hide the folders or the apps behind the person. Unfortunately, this option works only for the portraits, so only for people. I'll show you later on how it works on animals. So here we've got two different options. So we can either use system depth wallpaper, which means that we can choose something from pre-installed wallpapers, or we can choose our own photo and try to apply this perspective depth effect. So let's start with tap on custom portrait, and before I show you how it works, I'd like to show you how it works with animals. So here I've got the photo of the, I don't know, is it a cougar, or I'm not sure what kind of animal it is, but after tapping on the specific photo, you will see this option depth effect in the right lower corner, and after trying to use it, our device will simply show us this error that it failed to enable depth of field. And here we've got the information that no portrait detected, please select a suitable photo with a single person. So unfortunately it works only for people, not for animals, which is a shame to be honest. Alright, so let's start again with tapping on custom, and let me choose maybe this option. So let's tap on the wallpaper. Of course, here you can zoom it in or out, you can change the position of the wallpaper and apply it just like you want to. I think I will leave it like this, maybe. No, maybe this. And again, we have to simply tap on depth effect. So just tap on it and wait until our device will generate this perspective. And now we can see the preview. So again, our device simply kind of cut out the character, and now it placed the apps behind it. But obviously, we can still see what kind of app it is, so we can still know what we are tapping on. So let's tap on apply, and now here we've got the information that the home screen layout will be changed according to the photo that we just applied, because the widgets and the apps needs to be repositioned and shifted backwards in sequence, so it will be basically turned on. So just tap on confirm activation and we'll check how it will look like in real life. And as you can see, this is how our homepage looks like, and I think that it is really nice. However, you can see that I don't know, I think that it is just the we need to adjust to this layout and to the fact that the icons are kind of hidden behind. But as you can see, everything is still visible. I mean, I can still see what I want to tap on. So here we've got Facebook, here we've got TikTok, etc. So to be honest, I really highly recommend to check this option because it is really nice. It looks interesting, basically. Alright, so that was the first personalization I wanted to show you. And now the second. So let me go back to the settings right here. And I was talking about AI theme generator. So let's tap. Basically here what we need to do is to either basically have fun with AI, as it is said here. So we can either just enter the text and kind of describe what we would like to show on the photo. We can also use image to image or image to theme. I think I'll use image to image and maybe text to image, so we will check how it will work. So let's start with image to image. Basically now, after tapping on this option, you can choose from different styles. So here we've got the featured, like for example, vintage poster, oil painting, sketch, colorful dream, etc. A lot of things to do for the portrait, as you can see. Here we've got also costumes. So, yeah. And cute pets, which means that we can, here in the themes, we can use finally the photo of a pet. So let's start with a pet, then we will try with maybe featured, and after that we will go to the text to a theme. So let's begin with this one and maybe comics. I hope that it will work. So let me choose this photo and tap on start generating. And basically you need to wait because your device needs time to generate everything. But let me simply pause the video, or maybe not, because it is almost done. And as you can see, maybe it's not the best example, but still you can see that it also detected animal and it tried at least to kind of change it. So here you can download it, here you can, I believe, refresh it, so regenerate it, remove it. Here I'm not sure what's that. Oh, so okay. And you also wanted to simply use it as a wallpaper. So now let me go to the featured. Let me choose maybe vintage poster. Why not? And let me choose again this person and tap on start generating. Yeah, and let me pause until it will be finished. Alright, so here we've got our generated photo, which is really nice. I think I will save it. And yeah, as I said, you can use it as a wallpaper. And obviously you can choose from other options which are available. I think I will also check this one. I mean, yeah, it is really, really nice. Alright, so now let's go back and let me also check text to image. Alright, so let's tap on text to image, and as you can see before, we will simply enter our instructions. Here we can choose the style, so intelligent, movie, illustration, photographic, game, and cyberpunk, for example. So I've prepared my prompt, let's say. So I think I would like to generate something like that. Of course, if you want to, you can write with AI. So again, you don't have to do it on your own. And let me choose maybe photographic. Yeah. And after entering your instructions, choosing the styles, you have to scroll all the way down to and tap on generate. And let your device generate the photo. And it is quite nice. I mean, it did what I wanted. Let me choose another style, maybe illustration. And tap on generate. I mean, it also did what I wanted. Yeah. To be fair, I'm the biggest fan of depth effect home screen, not really the AI theme generator, but I believe that if you will just take time and try to have fun with AI theme generator, you will, just perfect your prompts, etc. Then it could generate beautiful options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.